Okay, good morning. All right, we're going to be working on lesson 5, session 5 problems that we did in class. Sometimes we don't make it through all of them, so it's especially nice that you can come and watch the video and see how to work through the problems to get more practice. We're going to start on page 87. Remember, you have two choices of problems, one to fit your needs. So which one are you going to work on? So the first one I'm going to show is what is the difference of 484,392 and 53,684. When I see difference, this means to subtract. So 484,392. Make sure that you're copying the numbers down correctly because that's going to help you so that you don't make an error. 484,392 minus 53,674. I start in my ones place. 2 minus 4. I can't take 4 from 2, so I need to regroup. My 8 becomes 8 tens plus 10 ones. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 4. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 6 I can't do, so I'm going to make this 3 thousands plus 10 hundreds is 13 hundreds. 13 minus 6. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 3 minus 3 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? And bring down that 4. So 430,718. Alternate problem. Remember, bigger number goes on top. 45,932 minus 6,826. 2 minus 6, I can't do that because the 6 is on the bottom and 6, can't take 6 from 2. 3 tens becomes 2 tens plus 10 ones. 10 plus 2 is 12, so I have 12 ones minus 6 ones, and that's left 6 ones. 2 minus 2 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 6, I can't take 6 from 5, so I need to regroup this into 3 10,000s plus 10,000s, which is 15,000. So 15 minus 6, so 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. 3. So 39,106. All right, find the difference, that means subtract, of 840 minus 671,600. 840,000 minus 671,600. So ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds 0 minus 6. I can't do that. So I'm going to hop on over to my thousands place to try to get a group of 1,000. I can't do that, turn it into 100. So I need to go to my 10,000 spot. So my 4 10,000s is going to be 3 10,000s plus 10,000s. So I have some thousands now to give over to my hundreds. So my 10,000s can become 9,000s plus 10 hundreds. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 minus 7, I can't do that. So I'm going to take my 100,000s, becomes 700,000s plus 10 10,000s. So that's 13. 13 minus 7, so 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 7 minus 1 is, or 7 minus 6 is 1. All right, so I can check my work now by putting this number plus this number. So 671,600 plus 168,400. Especially when I'm doing a lot of regrouping like this with zeros, I like to check my work. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 6, 7, 8. I have 840,000, which is my starting number. This is the correct answer. So I know that this is the correct answer. Alternate problem, 84,000 minus 67,160. Start on my 1, 0 minus 0 is 0. Tens place, 0 minus 6. I can't take that. I can't get any 6 away from 0, so I'm going to go over to my tens place, hundreds place. I don't have any hundreds to give to my tens, so I'm going to go over my thousands place. My 4,000s becomes 3,000 plus 10 hundreds. Now I have some hundreds to give to my tens, so this becomes 9 hundreds plus 10 tens. 10 minus 6 is 4. Hundreds place, 9 minus 1 is 8. thousands place, 3 minus 7. I can't do that, so I'm going to come over to my 10,000s. This becomes 7,000s, 7 10,000s plus 10,000s. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 minus 7, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And 7 minus 1 is 7 minus 6 is 1. So I have 16,840. So 16,840 plus 67,160. This should equal 84,000. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oops. Put a 0 there. It's supposed to be a 4. 14. 4 gets to stay. The 1 comes over here. 6, 7, 8. 84,000. All right, this matches my starting number. Perfect. All right, next equation, next problem. Which equation can help you estimate the difference of 64,412 and 31,500? When we are estimating, we are going to round and we are not finding an exact answer. So we're not going to line up the numbers and find out what the exact numbers like we have been. In these problems, we're finding the exact answer. This one, we're finding a roundabout. Around the number. Close to. Those are all numbers, all phrases we might say. So what's it close to? What's around about the same number if we subtract it? So we are going to round to the nearest 1,000. All right, so if I look at 63,412, I'm going to round to the nearest 1,000. So I look at 3,000 and I look over at the 4. It's below 5, so this is going to round to 6,000. 63,000. If I look at 31,500 and I'm rounding to the nearest 1,000 on both of these, this is 5. I know if it's a 5 and above, it's going to round up. So this is going to round to 32,000. I look here now, so I should see 63,000 minus 32,000 in an answer, and I see it right here. All right, tell whether each equation is true or false. So I'm looking for, when I'm setting up my equation, this answer. Is this true? So if I start this problem, 8,902 minus 3,407, and I start to get the answer, if it's not a 5 and a 0, I can stop and I know it's false. So 2 minus 7, I can't do that. I have no 10, so I'm going to go over to my hundreds. This becomes 8 hundreds plus 10. Now I have something to regroup. That goes into a 9. That comes a 10. So 12, 7. I'm going to count up to 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a 5. Okay, that doesn't help me because that's a 5. Okay. 9 minus 0 is 9. All right, I'm going to stop there. This number is a 0. I already know that this is false. I can stop. I'm going to go to my second equation. 16,234 minus 5,235. Remember, I'm subtracting, not adding. 4 minus 5 I can't do, so I'm going to regroup. 2 plus 10 ones, which is 14. 14 minus 5. So 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. I'm going to stop, look at that first number. It's a 9. That doesn't help me. 2 minus 3, well, I can't do that. So I'm going to go 2 comes a 1. This becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. All right, that doesn't help me because that second number is a 9. I'm going to keep going. I'm looking for a different number to see if it's equal or not equal. All right, I'm in my hundreds place. 1 minus 2 I can't do, so I'm going to take away this, and this becomes a 5,000 plus 10, which is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. All right, still looking the same. Now I'm going to go over to my thousands place. 5 minus 5 is 0. All right, I have a number that looks different now. I have a 0 in the thousands place, and they have a 9. I bring that one down and I have 10,000, they have 9,000. That is false. See how I'm going through and I'm looking at each number. Is it similar? Is it the same or is it not? If it's not the same, it's false. 9,000 minus 65,881. Ones place I can't do. Tens place I have no tens to regroup. So I keep on going to the left. 7 becomes a 6. This becomes a 10. Regroup. Becomes a 10. Regroup. Now I have some 10s. So 10, that becomes 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. If I already look at my answer, that's the same. Okay. 9 minus 8 is 1. That's the same. Okay. 6 minus 5 is 1. That's the same. 9 minus 6 is 3. That is true. This is the exact number. All right, that last problem. These you just have to work through every problem. Minus 130,274. 8 minus 4 is 4. 0 minus 7 can't do. Cross that out. That becomes a 4. This becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 3 can't do. Cross that out. Becomes a 3. And that becomes 12. 12 minus 3, 12, 11, 10, 9. 3 minus 1 is 2. I should see 290,234. That's true. All right, and that completes the problems that we worked on today. Thanks for watching.